Audi A1 1.4 litre petrol engine. Subjective dynamic assessment. Starting with the steering feel. Steering feel is very similar to the Range Rover Evoque. Not too stiff and not too light. Very good combination. Very easy to control. And another thing that is worth mentioning is the clutch. Clutch resistance is a lot lower than the BMW 328i. When you put your foot down on the clutch, there's not much resistance. So it just falls straight to the bottom of the travel. Very little resistance compared to the BMW 328, so it's easy to get it in. Clutch bite was a lot higher on the Audi A1 when benchmarked against the BMW 328i, and personally for me it felt like there was a higher chance of me stalling due to being used to such low clutch and bite on the BMW 328i. Cruising at the speed limit here, approaching a roundabout, and I'm looking to take the second exit. So this requires around 45 degrees steering input. Able to turn it in really clean, really able to direct the nose exactly where I want it to go. Stiff suspension, you can really feel the bumps through the road. Well calibrated off-center steering. My new steering input really dictates the movement of the straight line movement on the vehicle. Approaching this left blind gradual, able to stay close to the center line here, maintaining tangential velocity and maintaining stability throughout this corner. All achieved by a very small movement on the steering. Aiming for the third exit on this runabout. There's a solid visibility on the offside window here. You can see really well through there. Tested the lift off oversteer there at relatively low revs, accelerated and came off the throttle and turned in. Not much inertia transfer. Applying a lateral oscillation here on the vehicle to get a feel for the body roll, and thanks to the short wheelbase and a very rigid stabilizers, the vehicle was very firm, not much oscillation, not much resonance felt through that. Body is very rigid and grounded really well. Reasonably refined exhaust notes coming from the 1.4 litre turbo engine.